Hello everyone, welcome to our brand new Git series. In this series, we will learn everything that is required for successful career. Okay, so Git regarding the Git. So Git is nothing but the version control. In this lecture, we will understand what is version control. And second question is why we should use it, right? Now, let's see the simple definition. Version control is a systematic approach to managing a changes in a code or any set of files. Let's understand what does it even mean. Okay, assume you have a file. I won't go any technical here. Anyone can use the version control. It doesn't matter is it his or she is in a software, in an embedded domain, or in any domain. Okay, in you have a file and assume here it is written hello world and there is an explanation mark, correct? Now I changed this to hello everyone, hello everyone. Now I don't have any clue what was here before, what was here before. I can't track it. What if I want to see what was here before? What if I don't want this? I want the older version only. If I want the older version only, I can't have it because I am not using the version control. What if this version, whatever this version is, it may have some bugs, some problems, some mistakes. I can't revert it back and I can't track it. One of the benefits of version control is you can compare your two versions. Okay, and then you can easily identify where is the bug and where is the problem, what line or what piece you added that causes that problem. So this is the basically idea of version control. Assume you made it hi everyone. This is also another version, correct? What does version control do? Version control keep track of every changes. Keep track of every changes. Now let's see the formal definition. Version control often referred to as source control or revision control is a systematic process that tracks and manages changes to the project code files over time. It allows developer to keep a historical record of alternations, facilitating collaboration among team members. This is achieved through the use of version control system, which maintains a repository contain entire history of the project. Now we understood what is version control and what all the versions are and what is mean by version and why we need it. Now let's see some of the use cases. First thing is history and accountability. Version controls keeps an history. As you can see here I have the history. I know what was the first thing. I know after that what came. I know after that what came. I can easily move back into history. And this helps the user to understand the development of entire project, how projects are changing with time. Okay, and if any outside member came and want to understand the project, this history can be really helpful to understand the entire project. Version control provides a detailed history of changes made to a project. This historical record helps developers to understand why specific decisions were made, facilitating accountability and troubleshooting. Second point is collaboration. So, version control also helps in collaboration. How? Multiple developers can make the different version of this file, correct? And version control will, because keeping the record of each version, that means it keep record of all the changes made by the all the developers. That means in the meanwhile I am doing the hello everyone, my friend, what he would have done, he would have taken this and he could have made hello git or version control, correct? Now version control have the capability of keep the record of both of these. What I can do in the future, I can either merge these two. Believe me, we will learn all this concept, what is the merging, what is the branching in detail in future videos. I can merge these two. So what is the common thing? Common thing is hello, correct? What is the different thing? Everyone, correct? And here it is git. I can decide which one to keep in my final version. Now third thing is branching and parallel development. Version control system supports branching, allowing the developers to create separate lines of development. This is invaluable for working on new features, bug fixing, experiments without affecting the main code base. Once these changes are tested and validated, they can be merged back into the main branch. What does it mean? Assume I have one code base, or let's say any document, any story. So let's say this story is about a girl, okay, who find her dream, or yeah, one way is keeping this girl as a main character and I can develop the entire story. But in the same timeline, in parallel thing, I can change the main character later on to some guy. Okay. And maybe I can merge these two stories at some point and keep going. So this is the branching. Okay. If it is confusing, it is basically assume you are developing some project. So your main branch is something that don't have any problem and everything is tested and everything is as planned. If you want to do little experiment, what you can do, you can start branch and keep on doing the experiment. Okay. And once you find out your experiments are correct, again you can remerge in a main branch. That means the experiments and changes what you have done here will come to your main branch also. No need to worry, we will learn about this in detail in later videos. Fourth point is rollback and revert. In case any mistake is there in any version or any comment, we can simply roll back. Documentation. Version control provides the great documentation using the commit message. What is commit message? Basically, whenever we create the new version, we provide some message. We provide some message. And this message can act as a documentation. How? So I can put here in the message like change to everyone because everyone sounds better. Let's say in third comment, I change it from hello to hi. I can write some reasonable comment here. So this comments and this change history combined provides me the good documentation and helps the other people who will watch this project to understand how things progress. Final point is backup and disaster recovery. The version control repository serve as a backup of project. In the event of data loss or system failures, developer can restore entire project to previous state and ensuring minimal disruption. What does it mean? Assume by accident you deleted this file where you are writing. Okay, you deleted it. But because you are using version control, you can simply you can simply take back this previous version and you will get your entire data without any loss. I hope you understood what is version control and what all the use cases, and I hope you are really excited to learn more about it and to use it in your day-to-day life. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.